Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You ever see some people say them a help somebody else and them have to take picture and a video it and everything to make the whole world know? You think it right? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, do it now. No, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right there. So.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 4. Watch it. Nobody do it right. Only for make people see you know. If I so, you can nobody look forget nothing from Father God where they are even. So, when you are give things and I do good for people, nobody make one bag of noise about it. So everybody see what you do. Just like what the hypocrite them do when they in the Jew them church and out a road. Them do they sitting there to make people big them up. Make me tell you this, and I chew me attack. Them now nothing more I get. When uno a give nothing, nobody make uno left hand know where uno right hand I do. That way there, nobody nothing know so uno give nothing. And uno father we see things when nobody else no know about. Him, we go know where uno forget. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.